In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the evaporator tray in your Whirlpool refrigerator. If you need to buy an evaporator tray, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. For this repair, unplug or disconnect the power and water supply to the refrigerator. With access to the back of the fridge, use a 1/4-inch nut driver or flat blade screwdriver to remove the 9 screws on the back cover. Now, slide the power cord out of the retainer slot. Then, pull the back cover away from the fridge. Be careful as the water line is routed through a slot in the bottom right corner. We're going to remove the condenser fan to give better access to the drain tube. Now, using a 1/4-inch nut driver, remove this screw. Then, pull the bottom of the shroud towards the rear of the fridge to release it from these retaining tabs. Next, tilt the top to the left and out to remove. Be careful as it's still connected by a wire. Set the fan assembly to the side to give better access to the drain tube. Since water may drip from the tube, place a towel beneath it. Now, using a 1/4-inch nut driver, remove this screw on the drain tube. Then, gently pull down on the black portion and remove the other end from the evaporator tray. To remove the tray, we'll need access to the bottom of the fridge to remove the screws holding the tray in place. Make sure you tip or tilt the fridge so the evaporator tray is up. When facing the back of the fridge, the tray is located on the right side, so we will need to tip the fridge to the left. Use extreme caution during this portion of the repair as the refrigerator is heavy and may cause bodily harm. Also, when you tip the fridge on its side, the fridge must be upright for 24 hours before powering on. For this, you'll need a 2-wheeled hand truck with a minimum 300-pound weight capacity and to empty the contents of the fridge. This includes all food items, shelves, drawers, and door bins. Place the hand truck in the center of the side, tilt back, and set the fridge down. You may need some help. With access underneath, you will need to locate and remove these 5 screws with a 1/4-inch nut driver. Now, dislodge the front end of the tray and pull the tray out of the bottom of the refrigerator. This may require some force. When shopping for an evaporator tray, be sure you're searching with the model number from the tag on your appliance to make sure you get the correct part. To install the evaporator tray, insert the narrowest end at the back of the fridge first. Press the front end into place. Align the screw holes and reinstall the screws. Then, stand the fridge up. Again, wait 24 hours before plugging it in. To install the drain tube, first align this end to the evaporator tray and press down. Make sure the flat piece on the tube rests beneath this area. Then, slide the black end over the fitting, press up to seat in place, and reinstall the screw. Then, with the blade on the left and rubber seal to the top and front of the fridge, tilt the assembly in at an angle, straighten out, align the bottom retaining tabs, ensure the wire is in the retaining slot, push towards the front of the fridge to lock in place, and reinstall the screw. To install the back cover, first insert the power cord into the retainer slot. Then, route the water line through the slot in the bottom right corner. Now, align the cover and reinstall the screws. Make sure to install the screw through the water retainer line. That's it for this video. If you learned something new, hit that like button. And if you enjoy fixing things and want to see more videos like this and these, please consider subscribing.